Hi, my name is Kwame. I'm a developer ambassador here at Algorand, and in today's video, I'm kind of going to do a mashup of using the PureStake API and Construct3. Um, the first thing, you're going to have to go to the developer portal, and you're going to look up the PureStake API service. It's done by Katie, so shout outs to Katie from PureStake for doing this. And yeah, so I'm going to be on the assumption that you've gone through this. You're going to actually need to go through this to get the API key and everything like that. So after you've done that, you can get into Construct3. And there's a couple things that I'm not too sure of with creating the project and handing out the SDK. So I'm going to wait on some confirmation on that before I set out a project. But this is kind of just to show that it does work, and a little bit of hyperbole on the workflow. So in the files here, this is kind of just a base project, and you're going to have a main JS is kind of like your jumping off point for a JavaScript project in Construct3. And you can see here that I have the Algo SDK. So it's just a minified version of the Algorand SDK. And I just put it in as a JS file. And inside the files that I'm using for the project itself, I just have it there and just added it to the project. Simple as that. Now, inside of the base project, you're going to see there's a lot of this startup methods that are run, but didn't touch any of them, didn't need to. But inside here where you have load external scripts, there is a function here called load scripts, and here you'll see I have the Algo SDK JS file that is inside the files, and you can see there's a bunch of other ones here for 3GS. I just wanted to see if it worked, and it did, but it has nothing to do with implementing or adding the Algorand SDK into the project. So a lot of the stuff here, these three main lines is what you need to connect to the PureStake API. And then you will see here that we create an algo client. We call the Algorand SDK. We use version 2 of the daemon client. And then we pass in the token, the base server, and the port. And here you'll see that we just call an alert just to make sure that everything worked. So I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to put in my API key, and then I'll show you what the outcome is. Okay, so after putting in my PureStake API key and running the project, we do see that we do have a connection here. And yeah, so that's the interfacing of it. And Construct3 is actually known for being a 2D project, so I wanted to see if I could get the 3D functionality working, and I was able to. And you can see here that I'm using 3JS inside of Construct3. So it'd be cool to add some 3D physics and collision detection to it, but yeah, that's it for me in this video. I'll be doing more on Construct and the Algorand SDK, and I'll see you guys in future videos.